So now we have reached the 40th problem, 40, and the name is restaurant growth. Since these are last 2, 3, 4 problems which are interesting, you can say last 4 problems, and the rest of these problems are very easy. It's also saying easy, and these are very like syntax based. Restaurant growth. Let's just see what we can do about it. What we have to do about it. Anything. Let's just see the table first. Okay, we have customer ID, we have name, we have visited on which day that person visited. If there's a duplicate or something, Acha, John visited twice. Customer ID is okay. Okay, this is good. This is good. One day they visited, and what the amount they have spent on. Can they visit twice on the same day? Customer ID will ठीक है. Compute the moving average of how much customer paid. Yes, 7 day window. Okay. In the 7 day window, current plus 6 day before. We can have only 7 till 7, and we can just can we do sum over, and we have any function over that? Like, let's see. Let's just write the code first. We might find something. I think we will need to use syntax here. I strongly believe this. We just write amount and average amount. Once we have amount, average amount is nothing. Like just dividing it by Let's just go for giving select. Select visited on, comma, what was that? We have sum over, na? Sum on amount, and what was the rest? Over, we have order by visited on as cumulative sum. So cumusum. From the table name is customer. From the table name customer. Okay, so let's just run this part. Let's just simply run this. Okay, column name visited on chromosome from customer. If we name from the 7-day window, we can simply no. Okay, 7-day window, so we need to just keep removing that the first one or something. How can we do this? How can we do this from the 7-day window? From 7-day window, we can. I have an interesting idea, very interesting idea. So let me just do date diff is equal to 7 in a positive way. Okay, let me see. Mark this as something. Mark this as, let me just do temp1. I don't want to make it anything else. Okay, so select everything from temp1 as A. What we're going to do, we're going to inner join because we're taking common. Inner join on what? Inner join on B on or condition care. What is? So A dot just do date add on. When we're adding it, we are adding it on this part. We're adding it on B dot visited. B dot visited. B dot visited on how much? Comma by 7 because it's on the window. Let's see is equal to A dot visited on. Let me simply run this. What we are getting actually. I want to see this. Test.b does not equal B. Inner join. Okay, we'll call it. What's the table name? Table name is customer. Customer. We have okay, no, don't submit it. Okay, let me just run this part. Test.date add. Okay, we don't have date add. Because we can't do simply plus 7. Okay, we can't simply do plus 7. So how we can do so? I will ask ChatGPT for this. Okay, okay, give me the sort this. Okay, what I want to do? I want to just simply join two tables with date difference of 7. No, this is not. I was using the wrong syntax. Date add is correct, but syntax is wrong. Right? That's why it was when tried to see the correct syntax. Otherwise, I just wandered around. Date. Must remember this. Date add. Don't they have that function? So they are saying that we can't use this. Test data doesn't exist. Data is an alternative data. Is an alternative data. Date def. I knew that, but can we use it here? Okay. Okay. I just was sure. Can we use interesting app? Why I was thinking that I can't use it. Figure these things out. Date diff is equal to 7. Okay, it is allowing date diff. See. We don't need name. Chat. We don't need name. We only need a dot visit. We just only get the haven't tested on. So with a dot visited, we need cumul a dot cumul sum. We need p dot amount as amount. Let's just run this. A dot visited on a dot visited on. Wrong answer is not never has been a to me, but still we can do so. by 7. So we're taking 7 of window. And what we're going to do is something decimal, round to two decimal place. So round this to two decimal place, and what will be named as average amount, as average average amount. And what we need to do else is we need to sort it by visitor ascending. Order by a dot visited on a dot visited on. I do self join on sale because that's all I've joined. That's all. I know it will start from 7. Okay. Student, you are still to use group by. Okay, since it's in on date, you don't need to worry about anything else. So final as now what you have to do, select, let's give me everything from final, then I will use a condition. Okay, should I use it? Where Rn is greater than equal to 7. Set visited on, comma, amount, comma, amount by 7. It should be rounded off to 2, take it as average amount. So how much we have solved? 100%. Okay, then see you the next problem. But before that, I just want to explain what I have done. So one thing I remember was this sum, and I used row number. This was easier. And this one I forgotten this part. How to use the date diff. I knew the diff. I don't remember the date add part. Date add on. Okay, we have day. We have number of days we want to add. Then on which we want to add. Great. Okay, let me just see how much problems are left now. I think we have done up to 40. Okay, so we have, I think, 3 questions left from that table. 3 questions. Bye bye till then.